morning, good afternoon. We're back. We can get the bike cleaned up. It's already disassembled. The sun's bright, it's hot. I'm already sweating. Let me get some paint put on there, on the frame at least. And we're gonna see what else is gonna happen, I don't know.
Alright, keep scrubbing.
It's cold. And that's what I call high quality H2O.
I also would like to point out that a lot of you guys are right. There was a missed opportunity on my behalf on not starting it first. I just got excited, was all. The story behind the bike was it was running when he parked it. And he just parked it because he got a new one. So I ain't too worried. I see a couple issues. That first cylinder with the tinfoil in the, that's nice. Tinfoil in the spark plug hole. But here's the thing, there was vines growing in it. So I'm gonna have to take that apart anyway and redo it. So I was like, you know, it'll run after a refresh. But you guys are right. That was a missed video opportunity on my behalf. I should have done that. And I'm sure a lot of you guys would like to watch it, but I just got excited and started ripping stuff apart. So, sorry. Before I go, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that watched the last video and thought it was worth subscribing to. Leave a comment down below on what you thought of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one that treats you right. Two-step with me, baby, slide, slide.
Roll it up and smoke on the love tonight, yeah. Getting high, thinking of you and I, yeah. Let's take a ride.